We're going to blend 2 poblano peppers, which I washed, I stemmed, and I seeded. About a half a cup of cilantro. I'm leaving the stems on. The stems have so much flavor, guys. Don't get rid of that. 1 garlic clove, which I peeled and halved. And I have about a cup of parsley leaves here. Do get rid of those stems. Those are hard, okay? We're going to blend this with 1 cup of water. Make sure to blend it well. You don't want chunks inside your rice. We're cooking 1.5 cups of rice, so we need 3 cups of water. So I'm gonna measure this in here and add, the rest until I have 3 cups of liquid. You can use chicken stock for this if you want. I just wanna keep it nice and vegan for me. I do wanna wash out my blender. I don't wanna throw that out, so I'm gonna put some water in here. I don't know if you can see, but there's a nice layer of foam here. So I do need this to be liquid. I am gonna go ahead and add maybe half a cup more to make up for this foam. So I'm gonna heat a little bit of avocado oil in here. And I'm going to add the 1.5 cups of rice that I told you. I washed this really well. How do I know when it's finished washing? When I have to finish washing is when the water stops coming out cloudy. We're going to fry this rice for a few minutes until it dries up, and then we will add our liquid. In case you're wondering, 1 cup of raw rice will render you 3 cups of cooked. So we're gonna have 4.5 cups of cooked rice here. And I'm gonna add my liquid. If you're using chicken stock, you probably don't need to add more salt. I'm gonna add salt because I'm using water. All right, we're gonna bring this to a boil. Then I'm gonna cover it and I'm gonna lower the heat. I'm gonna let this steam or cook at very low heat for 20 minutes. I'm gonna taste the salt in this. Well, that's great. Make sure it starts boiling hard before you turn down the heat, okay? 20 minutes, we're just going to fluff it up. I have turned off the heat, guys. I am now going to just cover this and let it rest for about 5 minutes. All right, let's check out our rice. Wow, that is pretty. Check it out. It's perfect. You can serve this rice with chicken, with beef, with whatever you want. Fish, it's delicious. I'm thinking I'm gonna put a fried egg on top. Yummy. Oh my gosh. That is pretty fantastic. Thank you for watching, guys. I'm gonna see you soon.